Hello everyone and welcome to the Superior Student channel. Today we are going to learn how to read the analog clock. First, when you want to ask for a time, you ask the question, "What time is it?" or "What time is it, please?" And here is another way to ask for the time. You can ask also, "What's the time?" or "What's the time, please?" Now, the answer for the two last questions is, you can say in a different ways. The first one, it is. And the second one, it. Let's see some examples. Here is a rule you need to know before start reading the time. Look at the clock. There are two parts. In the right part, we say past. And in the left part, we say to. Let's see the examples. What time is it, please? It is 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Or the different way, what's the time, please? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 past 6. It's 5 past 6. What time is it? It's 10 past 6. It's 10 past 6. What time is it? It's quarter past 6. It's quarter past 6. What time is it? It's 20 past 6. It's 20 past 6. What time is it? It is 25 past 6. It's 25 past 6. What time is it? It's half past 6. It's half past 6. What time is it? It's 25 to 6. It's 25 to 6. What time is it? It's 20 to 6. It's 20 to 6. What time is it? It's quarter to 6. It's quarter to 6. What time is it? It's 10 to 6. It's 10 to 6. What time is it? It's 5 to 6. It's 5 to 6. Please like and subscribe the video if you want to receive more courses. Goodbye for now.